Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn what is linear congruence, okay, and how to solve it. Okay. Now, first of all, what is linear congruence? The definitions of the linear congruence is a and b any integers, okay, and a congruence of the form this form, okay, ax congruence to b mod m is said to be linear congruence in variable x, okay. For example, first example, x congruence to 2 mod 3 is a linear congruence, okay, and 4x congruence to 8 mod 6 is also a linear congruence, okay. Now, how to solve the linear congruence, okay. Now, ax congruence to b mod m is a linear congruence in variable x, okay, and d is a GCD of a and m, okay. Now case 1 say that if GCD of am, that is d, does not divide b, then the congruence has no solution in z, okay. And case 2 say that if d divides b, then the congruence has exactly d incongruent solution modulo m in z, okay. And the congruence are given by x naught plus m by d multiplying n, where n 0 to d minus 1, okay, and where x naught is a any particular solution of the given congruence, okay. Now next we find all the incongruent solution of the congruence linear congruence 16x congruence to 8 mod 28, okay. How to find? Now solution, okay. First of all, find the GCD of 16 and 28. Find the GCD of 16 and 28. Okay. Now find the D. Okay. First we find D. Using here Euclidean's algorithms. Okay. So by using Euclidean algorithms. Okay. So 28 can be written as 16 into 1 multiplying 1 plus 12, okay, and 16 can be written as 12 multiplying 1 plus 4, okay, and 4 can be written as 4 and sorry 12 can be written as 4 multiplying 3 plus 0, okay. By the Euclidean's algorithms say that the 4 is the GCD of the 16 and 28, okay. So therefore GCD of the 16 and 28 equal to 4, okay. And the above methods, there are exactly 4 incongruent solution of the our linear congruence, okay. Linear congruence 16x congruence to 8 mod 28. Now next we find a particular solution and then we find the all the incongruent solution of the linear congruence, okay. So now find the next we find particular solution x naught, okay. So 6, so 16x congruence to 8 mod 28, okay. This is equivalent to the statement 28 divides 16x minus 8. Now find the x such that 28 divide 16x minus 8. Clearly see that x equal to 4. Then this equation is satisfied. Okay. So one particular solution x not equal to 4 of the congruence 16x congruence to 8 mod 28. Okay. And also another way we also find x naught. How? Mm, from this, from 1, this is equivalent to 16x minus 8 equal to 28y for some y belongs to z. Okay, so that is 16x minus 28y equal to 8. Okay, next we find which value of x and y this equation is satisfied. Okay, if we put x equal to 4 and y equal to 2, then clearly this equation is satisfied. So here the value of the x is the corresponding solution of the given congruence, this congruence 16x congruence to 8 mod 28. Okay, so here also x not equal to 4. Okay, also we find the x naught as follows. Okay, and directly we find x naught this method. Okay. Next we find x naught plus m by d multiplying n. Okay, where n equal to 0 to d minus 1. Here x naught equal to 4 and m equal to 28 and d equal to also 4 and n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now so find the all value of x naught plus m by d into n where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this equal to x naught equal to 4 plus 28 by 4 into n where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this equal to 4 plus 7n. 7n where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is equal to 4, 11, and when put x equal to 2 we can find 18 and also 25. Okay, so therefore x equal to 4, 11, 18 and 25 are the incongruence incongruent solution modulo 28 of the linear congruence 16x congruence to 8 mod 28. Okay,